This is the end of CapCut tutorials.
You don't need to hear that!
You have to, because as you guys know, I'm uploading less videos from a few days, because my brain is empty now, and I don't have any new idea left, but that won't get to stop me.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, kinda. Because as you guys know that Kim TV Hub has changed his content, because I'm damn sure he's facing the same problem as me, so now he's uploading anime and manga review videos, and converted his channel into an anime channel, and this can also be my future. And if this happened, I just want your guys' love and support, that's all. And also you can see the same thing on Nishi's channel too. He's also uploading less videos from some days. I guess he's facing the same problem, which we all are facing, or maybe there are some other issues. Who knows? For now I guess, I'll try my best to upload tutorial videos for editing. But if it happens to change content, I'll change it to Genshin Impact or an anime channel. So now, let's see what's my future, and see you guys in the next video.